Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to service BMW 1 Series step by step. Start by gathering the correct metric tools, a service manual, and safety gear. Park the car on a level surface and set the parking brake. Lift the car with a quality jack and secure with stands, then remove wheels to inspect brakes and suspension. Drain engine oil safely, replace the oil filter, and capture drain fluid for recycling consistently. After initial setup, focus on fluids and consumables to keep the car running smoothly. Drain the engine oil, swap the oil filter, and top up with the specified oil grade. Replace the air filter and cabin filter to protect engine airflow and interior air. Check brake pads and rotors for thickness and scoring, and inspect brake fluid for contamination before topping or flushing as required to ensure safe stopping performance. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful tutorials. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers are great for keeping your lunch clean in a greasy workshop, perfect for long service days. I've linked the product and other deals in the description, so take a look if you're curious. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Next, give attention to suspension and engine accessory systems to prevent bigger failures. Check shocks, control arms and bushings for play or leaks, and replace worn items. Inspect belts and hoses for cracking or soft spots, and verify coolant level and condition. Use an OBD reader to scan for fault codes, and test the battery and charging system to avoid surprises during a drive. Document findings clearly in your service log.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.